Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be just a quick video. I took the Mustang to have the windows tinted. The appointment has been scheduled for like 3 months. The guy that tinted my windows always stays booked. I mean, he's apparently one of the best window tinters in our area. I was referred to him by several different people. So I thought I would share this video here of going to pick the car up and seeing it for the first time with the windows tinted. I'm pretty excited about it because the glass was not tinted at all, and if you don't have tinted windows on a Foxbody, and especially if you drive it and it sits out in the sun, it'll fade the interior. The seats will start fading and stuff like that. It's really hard on your interior to not have tinted windows. Plus, I think tinted windows look really good. Let's go get the car and I'll show you when we get there. All right guys, I'm here with the car. The car is behind me and I'll show it to you. But this is where I went. This is Morlock's window tinting here in Kingsport. He is highly recommended. He was recommended to me by several different people. And I'm gonna tell you, the window tint looks amazing in this thing. Let me show you what the car looks like. So he put me a strip across the windshield. He tinted my sunroof, and I went Tennessee legal on the front two. I went limo on the back, and I went limo on the hatch. Well, the limo on the quarter window, should I say. But the car looks really, really good. It's kind of in a twisted, squatted way right now is the reason the wheels kind of tucked up in there. I won't be able to roll my windows down. I think he said 3 days. But if you're in the Kingsport area, I'm going to show his sign one more time. You need to definitely check him out. He's located here in Kingsport, Tennessee. And this window tint is awesome. He warranties the work, so if you have any issues with anything, he says just bring it back to him and he'll take care of it. He's a very nice guy, stand-up fella. So with the window tint, you still have really good visibility out. I really like this. This does make the windshield seem a little bit smaller, but this will help that sun from beaming in on your seats. And the back glass, even though it's limo, you still have real good visibility out of it. I'm sure at night it'll probably be a lot worse. And then the sunroof, it's all nice and tinted. All right guys, that concludes this video. I just wanted to show you that I got the windows tinted to try to keep y'all up to date with the progress that we're making with the car. Like I said, check out Morlocks. And with that being said, I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.